the rich man and the poor man. Food and money I give to you. Why do you shout so mercilessly when I give you your part? Queried the rich man. The poor man replied, your question you cannot answer. From pain and agony you are free, but I have suffered and borne the situation that I don't like of it, that I couldn't understand, because life for me is easy. I take this and I take that, and life is just I want it to be. Consented the rich man. Comfort your mind, rich man, with realities of death. Your wealth I do not envy, for you cannot buy eternity with money. If to live happily is to live hypocrisy, then I prefer to be silly, so I will be holy. Life you love so much, you will lose, and only then you will understand what agony is, the poor man shouted. Ha 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 ha, you say so, for you desire this place of mine. Indulgence you have clouded with reason, but I understand because your situation. Boastfully the rich man said, outraged the poor man answered, how pitiful the person blinded with pleasure. No, you don't care of our journey that you have created through your weakness. Come now, man of weak soul, your days are numbered for you to face the man of love. You may not cry, but later you will. When the chilling reality of the last judgment comes across your way, yes, then you will pity, but not for me, not for anybody else, but yourself only. Yes, eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow you shall die. The rich man and the poor man, I thank you.